Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today's video is another dupe video, and one that you guys were very excited about. So I recently teased when I was reviewing this guy right here, the e.l.f. Jellypop Glow Stick, that it reminded me of two highlighters that I really like that are high-end. So you guys are a little impatient about it, but that's okay because I would be impatient too. So I appreciate the excitement. But the point of me kind of teasing it in the video was to build up excitement for this one, which I think I did. So, all right. So the highlighters in question are the RMS Beauty Champagne Rosé Living Lumin. Oh no, it's a luminizer. It's a Champagne Rosé luminizer. This is what it looks like. And the one that I'm like, it's kind of similar to it, but it's got a different shade, but it still has like that glowiness to it, is the Chanel Baume Essentiel in Sculpting, which is this one. All right, so I think what I'm going to do is I'll swatch them here, then we'll go into natural light so you could see them swatched in natural light, and then maybe just put them on in natural light for you guys. Would that be better? I think so. All right, so I wanted to do swatches up close because today the sun is not cooperating with me. So we have the e.l.f. Jellypop Glow Stick, the RMS Champagne Rosé Luminizer, and the Chanel Baume Essentiel in Sculpting. This is the e.l.f. Just want to see if you guys can see up close. There is like, hold on. If I put the flash, okay, do you see like the little subtle sparkles? And no, it does not show up on the face that it has. So here, let's swatch this one first. Like, that's what it looks like. And let me turn off the flash so you see the glow. It's really pretty, like nice dewy glow. I'll put the flash on at the end so you can see them like under the flash. Next is the RMS Champagne Rosé, and this is what this one looks like. Oh, here, you know what? I will put the flash on so you can see like it's got a similar like consistency or glow as the e.l.f. does. See? So that's the RMS next to it. And then here is the Chanel Baume Essentiel. So they do actually have a very similar glow to them. That's the best way to describe it. So here's the three. Chanel, RMS, e.l.f. I would say of the three, the RMS probably has the most color in it, even though they kind of have clear bases. And here it is again. And you know what? I'll put some here too, because I know you guys like when I do swatches on this part of my hand. Chanel. And RMS. Alright, so for starters, e.l.f. I'm going to do a nice kind of heavy swatch. This is elf. So you see how it picks up the light very nicely. RMS Champagne Rosé. Hang on. So if I turn it this way, you guys can see the glow. And then Chanel. This is Chanel, Chanel, RMS, elf. Let's go into natural light, and I'll apply it in natural light so you can see texture up close. Then we'll come back into these lights, and then you could see them kind of in like artificial lighting, I guess. All right, so let me show you the swatches here. So this, on this side, is Chanel, the Baume Essentiel and Sculpting. In the middle is the RMS Champagne Rosé. And the end, closer to my pinky, is the elf glow stick. So if you look at them up close, right, I personally feel like elf and Chanel have the same kind of consistency, like that nice glow. The RMS is maybe, it's not drier, but it's different. But then now color-wise, the RMS and the elf are probably closer in color, but those three remind me very much of each other. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put elf on my left cheek here. Hang on, because I'm doing this holding the camera. So I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to kind of put that here, right? And I'm going to tap, tap, tap. Now, I mentioned before that this one does have like this like super subtle, like, let's see if you can see it here. I might have to flip the camera. Like, it has like a very, very subtle like peachy gold in it, but once it's on the face, it's like not detectable. So this is elf, and on this side, hang on. All right, so again, this is elf, and then on this side I'll do Chanel. See? Super similar glow and similar consistency when it's on the face. Hang on. Doing this one-handed is a little bit tough. And then here's RMS. I think I'm gonna put it down the bridge of my nose. See? So see how the light kind of catches it? You know what I'll do to make it a little bit easier, because I want you guys to be able to see it. I'm going to take that RMS and I'm going to put it on my brow bone, just so you can see like it in the light a little bit better. So that's the RMS. RMS, Chanel, elf. I'll put the RMS on this side too, just so you can kind of compare the RMS and the elf together. And you can see that the colors and the glow are very, very similar. So, okay, I'm sorry, I hope that wasn't too shaky. And like today's weird because it's sunny, but the sun is like in and out on my window where I usually like to show you guys like the glow and everything. And it's more sunny here, or there's blue skies on my right side, and in the other room there's gray skies, but that's where the sun is. So I tried my best to show you guys like the swatches up close. But here they are again, and here it is, like just after a few minutes of wearing. So let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think that they're dupes? Do you think it's a stretch? I think they're dupes. So I say if you wanted to try the Chanel Baume Essential, but you don't want to spend the $45, which I totally get, I think the e.l.f. Jellypop is a nice alternative. And it's not, I almost feel like this might work a little bit more for different skin tones. Like if you're tan, if you're a little bit more rich skin tone, the Chanel is gorgeous. It really is. But I almost feel like once you hit like a tan kind of skin color, it might start to look a little bit ashy on you. But they're all beautiful. And of course the RMS is absolutely just gorgeous, juicy, dewy. They're all juicy, dewy, glowy highlighters. So let me know which one's your favorite. Comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next one.